Hello, Treehouse inventors.
Well, we're not inventors yet.
We know our problem. Mr. Judd at the Limson Center said that a problem can have more than one solution, but we're having trouble finding at least one. Do you have any ideas?
Just the thing for you. It's called brainstorming.
But I forgot to bring my umbrella.
Oh, very funny. Brainstorming is something that helps you think creatively.
Is that where we're going to get together and toss us out ideas?
Yes, it is, but there's certain rules you have to follow. Someone has to record the ideas, everyone needs to contribute ideas, and all ideas are accepted.
What if one of the ideas is silly?
That's all right. You're encouraged to give wild, silly, or even way out ideas in addition to the practical ones.
I'll be good at brainstorming.
How do we start?
You already have your problem, how to make a bike more visible at night. And I printed off a brainstorming web from the Sci Files website. It's a tool for brainstorming.
Thanks, Dr. D.
Why don't you practice by brainstorming my problem of inertia? Objects in motion remain in motion. Set a time limit, come up with as many solutions as you possibly can.
Okay, let's sit in a circle. I'll put the timer on 5 minutes. I've got the timer.
Okay, I'll be the recorder. Okay, let's go.
I think it should be something on wheels.
How about a catapult that flings things far in the air? Or smoke rings. That'd be cool.
How about a paper airplane?
I'd like to use a watermelon.
That's a silly idea.
Remember now, no criticism.
Okay. What do we do now?
Are there any solutions that are similar, can be grouped together?
Yeah, like catapulting a watermelon.
See, I told you a watermelon wasn't a bad idea, if you don't mind a big mess.
Thanks for all the ideas. I'll let you know what I decide to do. Remember, never judge any ideas during the brainstorming, only afterwards during the evaluation.
How do you evaluate something?
You need to talk to my friend Dr. Catherine Fay at NASA Langley Research Center.
That's a great idea. Thanks, Dr. D. Hi, Dr. Fay. This looks really cool.
Hi kids, welcome to the lab.
What is all this stuff?
These are various inventions that Langley researchers have developed here in Hampton, Virginia.
Are you an inventor?
Yes, I'm an inventor, but my job is to research solutions to problems that NASA has in aeronautics and space. And some of these solutions turn into inventions. If you have a creative, innovative environment, inventions will happen.
What are some of these inventions?
This is a colorless poly image. It was invented by several Langley scientists and is used as a flat panel reflector on solar arrays on satellites in space.
All these things look great, but how do the researchers know if they're good ideas?
First, as a researcher or an inventor, you need to define your problem. Then, you need to test your proposed ideas. You collect the data and analyze it and see if it works. If it doesn't work, then you need to reevaluate. Maybe you modify it, or maybe you start with a new idea.
That's why collecting data is important?
Yes, collecting and analyzing the data helps determine if your solution meets the requirements.
So, what do we do with our bad ideas? Do we just throw them away?
No, the idea might not answer this solution, but the data collected is good because it will help you determine other solutions.
Well, is that it? We collect the data to test our product and we're done?
You might want to consider a few more things in the evaluation. First, can I make it? And second, can I afford it?
Could you help us get started?
Tell me one of your ideas to solve the problem.
We thought of maybe painting our bike to solve the problem of making us more visible at night.
That's a good idea. I think you should consider what kind of paint you're going to use. And where are you going to paint it on the bicycle? On the frame or the tires or both? Then you need to decide how you're going to determine whether you're really visible at night.
I think we need to go and have a brainstorming session.
Yeah.
After your brainstorming session, send me an email, and I can put you in touch with researchers that develop reflective materials.
Thanks. I'll keep in touch. Bye, Dr. Fay.
Bye.
Bye.